Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. In this video, I am going to discuss about phishing detection system through hybrid machine learning based on URL. It is our abstract. Currently, numerous types of cybercrime are organized through the internet, so this is mainly focuses on phishing attacks. Machine learning plays a vital role in defending against cybercrime involving phishing attacks. The proposed hybrid machine learning based phishing detection system through URL classification is a system that uses machine learning models to classify URLs as phishing or legitimate. The system extracts features from the URL and select the most informative features and train a machine learning model to classify the URLs. The system classifies the URL using the trained machine learning model and warns the user to use or block the website if the URL is classified as phishing. In this, we use some machine learning models like decision tree, linear regression, and etc. And our proposed method is hybrid LST, which is the combination of linear regression, support vector classifier, and decision tree. The proposed hybrid method effectively finds out the phishing attacks with high accuracy. It is our flow diagram. First, the user can log in with his username and password. If they don't have account means, first they register. After login, the user can select the dataset and load into the system. After loading the data, the next step is a pre-processing. In the pre-processing, the unwanted rows and columns can be removed and missing values can be removed and the data can be converted into the suitable format. After that pre-processing, the next step is data splitting. In this, the pre-processed data can be split into two categories, one as trained data and another one as test data. The trained data can be used to train the model and the test data is used to evaluate the trained model. Once the model is trained, the next step is the classification. In this, we can find out the accuracy, precision, and some performance metrics of the machine learning models like linear regression, naive Bayes, and the proposed hybrid models also. After that classification, the next step is the prediction module. In this, the user can enter the URL from which the trained model can evaluate and test whether the URL is phishing or legitimate. After processing, the user can log out. Now we see our output. First, go to the home page and run the file. It is the home page. You may click here. If the user is already registered, means they enter their username and password. Otherwise, register their details. After entering the details, the user may click the submit button. The details will be registered successfully. Once registered, the user may click here. In this, the user can enter their username and password. After entering the details, the user may click the submit button. After login, the user may load their data set, which hold the information like URL, whether that URL will be phishing or legitimate. After selecting the data set, the user can click the open option. After that, the user can click the load option. The data will be loaded in the database successfully. You may see the URLs. This one indicates the website is phishing and 0 indicates the website is legitimate. From here you can see the total number of rows and the total number of columns in our dataset. After that, you may click the next option. It is the pre-processing module. You may click the pre-process. In the pre-processing, the data can be encoded into the suitable format for further processing, and the unwanted rows and column values can be removed. In this, the missing values also handled. After pre-processing, you may click the next option. It is the splitting module. In this, our data can be split into two categories, one for training purpose and another for testing purpose. You may click the split option. From here you can see 80% of data will be used for training purpose and the remaining 20% of data will be used for test purpose. After splitting, you may click the next option. It is the classification module. First we see the linear regression classification performance matrices, and you may click the next option. It is the accuracy or precision recall of the decision tree model, and we see the navy BIOS model, and it is the performance matrices of support vector machine model, and you may click the next option. It is our proposed model LSD. It is the hybrid model. L stand for linear regression and S stand for support vector machine, and D stand for decision tree. We combine these three algorithms to improve the accuracy of predictions. You can see the accuracy which is slightly high over the existing methods. After that, next module is a prediction module. In this, the user can enter some URLs and click the predict option. It may show the website is not phishing and go for further. And now we check another website. It can show whether this website is available or not. Like that, it will show. After completing the process, the user can click the exit option to leave this page.